Okay, welcome back, children. So, what are we discussing? We are discussing effects of soil erosion. No? So, first one is soil loses its fertility, and its very next impact is once the soil loses its fertility, its very next impact is on the production of agriculture. That is, the agricultural production decreases. Then, what is the third important effect of soil erosion? That is, soil erosion leads to silting in river beds, then it leads to silting in your reservoirs. Okay, so what is reservoir? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of reservoir? Anmit Ji Naik, do you know what is a reservoir? Anmit Ji Naik?
No, Mataji.
You don't know what is a reservoir? Okay, if you don't know, will Preeti tell me what is a reservoir? Preeti? Kripa, can you tell me what is a reservoir? Okay, Kripa is also not speaking. Then, Sinchana, yes, but what is a reservoir? Huh? Third one is we are discussing about silting, no? Huh? So I told you that soil erosion leads to silting in river beds and reservoirs. So now I want the meaning, I want you to tell me the meaning of reservoir. Yes, Akshay, do you know what is a reservoir?
Machi, when trees and grass were vanished, the soil will get loose, and when the river flows, soil will cut down, and it will turn the direction of the river.
No, I want you to tell me the meaning of reservoir. What is reservoir? Yes, Pannaga, what is reservoir?
Mataji, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Natural or artificial lake used for water supply.
Yeah, natural or artificial lake used to store the water. Reservoir ಅಂದ್ರೆ tank, ಕೆರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So, artificial or natural lake to store the water. That is called reservoir. Alva? So, it leads to silting. Your soil erosion leads to silting in river beds and reservoirs. So, what is the meaning of silting? What is the meaning of silting? ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಆರೆಗಡೆ ಸಿಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸಿಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್ ಮರಿ, ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್? ಭುವನ ನೋಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮರಿ?
Mataji, blocking by the silt.
Blocking? ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರೇಯಾ ಭಟ್, ಸಿಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Mataji, I know the meaning of silt.
You know the meaning of silt. Now, what is that silt?
ಮಣ್ಣು ಕೆಸರು.
ಮಣ್ಣು ಕೆಸರು. The silting ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು? Silting in river beds. Rashmi, what do you mean by silting?
Deposition of silt by the rivers along the banks of the rivers.
Yeah, deposition of silt in the river beds or reservoirs is called silting. You see here. So let us consider this as a river now. Okay. So this is a river now. So up to here, the river had its bed. Really, river bed ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So now slowly the silt, ಮಣ್ಣು ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಸರು, it got deposited in the bed here. Okay, now the water which used to flow here, the water which used to flow here, so it's the level of the river raised. Here, what is there? Now here you have your silt, monnu athwa kesaru. So this is river, no? So I will take reservoir here. Just now Pannaga told me that it is artificial or natural lake where water is stored. So first of all, in this tank, it may be artificial or natural. So let us suppose that some 100 liters of water, okay, some 100 liters of water we could store. ಹೌದಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಣ್ಣು ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಸರು ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕನೂ ವಾಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜನ್ your ಮಣ್ಣು ಅಥವಾ your ಕೆಸರು got deposited. So now it is called what, children? Silting. Now what happened? Now this tank, it can hold only 70 to 80 liters of water. ಹೌದಾ? Why? In the river bed where you could store the water, in that place, in the bed of this tank or reservoir, now you have silt. ಹೌದಾ? So now what happens? Because of soil erosion, your silting takes place, and when silting takes place, the capacity, the storage capacity of the reservoir is decreased or increased, Akshay?
Decreased.
Decreased. So in the beginning, it could store 100 liters of water. Now it can store only 70 to 80 liters of water. So this is one of the effects. So your silting, it leads to what, children? It reduces the storage capacity of reservoir, right? If we take the river, so if silting takes place in the river bed, what happens? The water, ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಯುವಂತಹ ವಾಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು? It has to flow to the sides of the course. The course in which it used to flow, no, ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು it has to flow in other direction, or else ಅದು ಅದರ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. The fields, ಹೌದಾ, the fields or maybe the habitation place, the habitats of the people. So if the river flows in those regions, then what happens? It is called what, children? It is called floods. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆರೆಹಾವಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ನೀರು ತನ್ನ ಜಾಗವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹರಿದಾಗ it is called ನೆರೆಹಾವಳಿ, it is called flood. ಹೌದಾ? So now this soil erosion leads to your silting, and silting changes the direction or course of the river, and silting causes floods, and even this silting, it reduces the storage capacity of the reservoir. Okay, yes, these are the next effects of soil erosion. Then afterwards, next one is this soil erosion. Because of soil erosion, the ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the groundwater level will decrease, because water percolation capacity is also decreased. The ground cannot percolate. The water does not percolate into the ground. ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನೀರು, ಹೌದಾ? So water percolation does not take place. That is why groundwater level is also decreased. When groundwater level decreases, when the moisture in the soil decreases, natural vegetation dry up, and it will lead to drought. So these are the effects of soil erosion. Then when drought happens, then your economical development will also stop. So these are some important effects of soil erosion. Except this, do you have anything else which you can add here? On page here. So I'll have the page for you where I have written the effects of soil erosion. Yes, okay. See, you can find the effects of soil erosion there. Some 10 to 11 points I have collected. So if it is asked for 2 marks, 3 marks, you should be able to write. Once go through the points, children. Fast. Okay, did you go through? Yes. Now, Yes. Children, do you have any doubts about the effects of soil erosion? If you have any doubt, raise your hands, otherwise we'll move on. Brahati. Brahati?
Afforestation.
Exactly. Afforestation and reforestation. Howda? So what is the first cause for soil erosion?
By,
Yeah, Madhu.
by constructing bunds.
By constructing bunds, you can stop soil erosion. That is correct answer. Yes, thank you, Brahati.
Using right fertilizers.
Using less fertilizers or not using chemical fertilizers. Okay. Then any other thing you have, Brihati? Okay.
Planting vegetations around planting vegetations like cover Mataji for lands.
Yes. So it is again afforestation only, alva? Yes, your answer is correct. Next, Anish. Anish, I'll go to Anish again. Anish. Anish.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me, Brihati told me that afforestation is one of the answers for conserving the soil, methods for conserving the soil. What else can you suggest?
Controlling overgrazing.
Exactly, Hoda. Yes, thank you very much. See, what was the first cause for soil erosion? The first cause for soil erosion was deforestation that we have discussed. No, the first cause for soil erosion is deforestation. So now the method of soil conservation, the first step should be afforestation and reforestation. Then second cause for soil erosion ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ? It was overgrazing. Now as the method of soil conservation, we have to what children? We have to stop overgrazing. Howda? Then what was the third cause for soil erosion? Yes.
Less construction of dams.
Dams should be constructed. Check dams should be constructed to stop the flow of water during rainy season. That's why you can hold water and you can hold soil there. Yes. Then third one is improper method of cultivation, unscientific method of cultivation. So therefore that you have contour plowing and contour farming as the scientific method of cultivation in slopes of the hills and mountains. So yesterday I have sent you 2 videos. Okay, I have sent you 2 videos to know what is contour farming and contour plowing. Have you watched the videos, children? Have you watched the videos? Yes or no? Raise your hands. If your answer is yes, raise your hands. Contour farming. So very important one. You should know the meaning of contour farming. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಕಾಂಟೂರ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ PLOUGHING ಅಲ್ವಾ, G ಬಂತು H ಬಂತು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. It is not like that, and even it is not contour. It is contour. Okay, contour farming and contour plowing are the best methods for conservation of soil. So in the video, I think you have understood the meaning of what is contour farming and plowing. That is okay. Then next one is bench terracing. What is bench terracing? Who will tell me the meaning of bench terracing? Shriharsh. Shriharsh.
Yes, Mataji.
What is bench terracing, Mari?
Cultivating the crops along with the height of the land.
Cultivation of crops along with the height of the land. Yes, do you know what is bench terracing? Anybody knows the meaning of bench terracing, children? Terracing of lands, bench terracing of lands. Can anybody tell me the meaning? Sinchana, yes, but. Sinchana? Sinchana, can you speak? Sumuk. Sumuk, what is bench terracing?
Mataji.
What is bench terracing?
digging the pits in the land.
Digging the pits in the land, ಅದು ಕಾಂಟೂರ್ ಬಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ರೀಜನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಆ ಪಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎತ್ತರ ಕೇರಿ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಂಟೂರ್ ಬಂಡಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಬೆಂಚ್ ಟೆರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಗದ್ದೆ ಹಾಡಿನು ಪ್ಯಾಡಿ ಗದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ bench terracing. See here you will grow paddy. So in our villages you can see this type of gadde, no? Have you seen? I think you all have seen this. See, terrace, bench. So bench terracing. So this is called bench terracing. So here you will have like this. ಹೌದಾ? ಗದ್ದೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಎತ್ತರದ ಹಾಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So the soil will not flow down. ಹೌದಾ? Soil will not get eroded and it will not go somewhere else. So this is called bench terracing. So this is one of the methods of conservation of soil. So we have discussed many methods. So first of all we started with afforestation, then second one is overgrazing, third one is scientific method of cultivation, that is your contour farming, contour bunding, contour plowing and your bench terracing. So these are the four methods of proper cultivation. Okay, then afterwards gully control. Okay, so ಕೊರಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ರಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಹೊರದು ಹೋಗಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ should be done. So these are the methods of conservation of soil. In your textbook they have given these under points very easy, you can find them very easily, but still I'll share the page for you. Effects of soil erosion, conservation of soil. Next. Yes, conservation of soil. See there. I hope the page is visible to you all. What is the meaning of conservation that is given? Then methods of conservation: afforestation and reforestation, contour farming, okay, controlling over grazing, contour farming, then construction of check dams, then contour bunding, gully control and bench terracing. So these are the important methods of conservation of soil. Yes, so here we are completing the lesson, children. So let me discuss the question and answers very fast. See, first of all, the soil that are formed from the sediments deposited by the rivers is called, Akshay?
Alluvial soil.
Exactly, the correct answer is alluvial soil. Sediments deposited by rivers and the Takshana, it should be alluvial soil. It is the correct answer. Next one, Vaishnavi N. Hegde. The black soil are also known as dash and dash soils.
Regur and black cotton soils.
Yes, Regur soil and black cotton soil. That is the correct answer. Then third one, thank you Vaishnavi. Third one, under the conditions of high temperature and rainfall, dash soils are formed in tropical regions. Anjali? It is laterite
soil.
Yes, your answer is correct. Laterite soil is the correct answer. Next, fourth question, Karthik Gowda. Mountain soils are suitable for dash crops. Karthik Gowda illa. Tejasvi?
Yes, Mataji.
Mountain soils are suitable for which type of crop?
Coffee and fruits.
Coffee and fruits. What are those types of crops called, Marie? What are those types of crops? Plantation crops. They are called plantation crops. So coffee, fruits. So these are plantation crops. Coffee, then rubber, then your tea. So plantation crops. Mountain soil is good for plantation crops. Next one, which are the major types of soils in India? You have to write. Explain the distribution of black soil in India. Yelleli unto black soil. In your textbook, they have given no distribution of black soil. Just I'll read out. If you have textbook, you open that. So black soils are largely found in the Deccan basalt trip region, including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Telangana, northern part of Karnataka, parts of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Okay, they occupy about 5.46 lakh square kilometers of area. So that much you have to write. Then afterwards, what are the characteristics of red soil? So for this, I have shared the page for you yesterday. Then today also we have discussed it. I hope you will write that. Then what is soil erosion and what is soil conservation? Meaning you have to write what is soil erosion and conservation. Next one, mention the main causes for soil erosion. Main causes for soil erosion, they have asked, no. So your deforestation, overgrazing, shifting cultivation, unscientific method of cultivation, then using the top layer of soil for making bricks. Directly given there in the textbook, causes for soil erosion. Then what are the major effects of soil erosion? For that also I have shared the page. So I hope you will write this one. By day after tomorrow, you complete your fair notebook. Then children, one more thing. From this lesson, 2 to 3 marks question you can expect. 3 marks question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, 2 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, 1 mark ಇನ್ನಂತೂ ಮುದ್ದಾಂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. For multiple choice, you can expect 1 mark question. On the question will be based on the characteristics of the soil. So which type of soil is found in the regions which get high temperature and heavy rainfall? Okay. So this soil is formed by the weathering of crystalline rock. So for that, you have to know each and every part of this lesson. Then you may also expect a question. Differentiate between red soil and black soil. Differentiate between desert soil and mountain soil. That type of question you can expect. Then these methods of conservation, even though it is not asked at the end of the lesson, very important. Okay. Effects of soil erosion, methods of soil conservation, causes for soil erosion. So all these are very important questions. General one, you can very easily write this one, but remember that you are writing the answer in points. Okay. Yes. So here we'll complete our lesson. If you have any doubts, I'll give you 2 minutes to ask. Has anybody got doubt? Children, raise your hands and tell me. Yes, no one has got doubt. So that is why let us end the class here. Thank you very much.